سر میں
اجازت ہو تو میں صرف ایک جملہ عرض کروں آپ کی اجازت سے.
جی جی
اس دن میں نے جب التجا کی کہ میں
مائک پہ آ جائیں.
مائک پہ
سنا جائے تو آپ نے فرمایا کہ فیصل صدیقی صاحب سے وقت جو میری وہ تو آن دی لائٹر وین، لیکن لائٹر وین زیادہ اچھا ہے. میری ایک تجویز یہ ہے کہ شاہد صاحب کو کہہ دیجئے کہ بسم اللہ سے اتفاق کر دیا کریں، اس سے ٹیمپرز تھوڑا سا نیچے رہتے ہیں، وکلاء کے بھی، عزت مآب جج صاحبان کے بھی، اور ماحول میں اللہ کی برکت شامل ہو جاتی ہے. دوسری بات یہ کہ وقت مقرر کر دیجئے سب کونسل کے لیے.
نہیں ابھی ہم نے اگر
جمعرات سے عزت مآب عابد شاہد زبیری صاحب
عزت مآب نہیں ہے.
ارشاد فرما رہے ہیں، اور آج 3 دن مکمل، اور میں بالکل ایک طالب علم کی حیثیت سے نوٹس لے رہا ہوں، تو آج 4تھا دن ہے. تو اگر تھوڑی سی کوئی
ٹائم کی پابندی آپ پر نہیں ہوگی.
اوکے سر، ٹھیک ہے.
آپ
یہ نوٹ فرما لیجیے گا پھر میں، کیونکہ میرے پاس تو سر 50 سال سے زیادہ کی تاریخ ہے. یہ جو بات کر رہے ہیں اجمل میاں صاحب کا یہ ہوا، سجاد علی شاہ صاحب کا کیا ہوا، I have passed through that phases on my own person.
شیخ صاحب آپ کی 50 سالہ تجربہ ہے، بہت اچھی بات ہے.
اس سے زیادہ تھوڑا
زیادہ آپ کی بات سے 100% اتفاق کرتے ہوئے جو کچھ کل ہوا نہیں ہونا چاہیے تھا، لیکن اٹ از ناٹ سو سیریس.
نہیں سیریس نہیں، لائٹر ویٹ پہ میں نے تو لائٹر ویٹ پہ اللہ کے نام میں بڑی برکت ہے.
میں کل کی
اللہ کے نام میں بڑی، میں نے تو یہ اچھا چلے میں اپنے منہ میں پڑھ لوں گا، میں اللہ کے نام منہ میں پڑھ.
ٹھیک.
جزاک اللہ، بہت شکریہ.
جی
My lord, yesterday I was taking your lordship. I immediately want to take your lordship to a judgment where the bench and the full court has been considered by this honorable court. PLD 2022 Supreme Court, page 306 at page 334.
Citation repeat کریں.
My lord, PLD 2022 Supreme Court 306, and my lord Mr. Justice Muhammad Ali Mazhar is also member of this bench. It is suo motu 4 of 2021.
and you are referring page 334.
334, ji
Para?
para 33, my lord. May I?
What is the point you wanted?
Sir, I'd say what is the difference between a bench and a full court? Because yesterday the Attorney General mentioned that sometimes it is used a full court bench. Yes, it has been mentioned in certain judgment, but there were single Chief Justice's orders in mention. But my humble submission is, this judgment says that what is the difference between the benches, because the admission committees in both committees have been given administrative powers to constitute the benches, sir. And that is my humble submission. Before saying that the committees, who is, then I'll come to that, who is competent if the full court, can a full court sit now or never? جی
یہی کل آپ سے پوچھا تھا نا. now powers is with the Chief Justice to constitute.
جی میں اس پہ آؤں گا سر. اگر میں اس کے بعد
سوموٹو کیس سے ریلیٹڈ ہے یہ.
جی سو موٹو جی ہاں نہیں، لیکن اس کے اندر ڈیفائنڈ ہے کہ فل کورٹ کیا چیز ہوتی ہے. میں فار دیٹ پرپز سر بالکل آپ
Then we should stop saying full bench.
جی فل کورٹ.
Full court کہنا
جی
ہوگا, full
ہمارے
bench نہیں.
جی لارجر بینچ تو ہو سکتی ہے. مائی لارڈ آپ کی جو کمیٹی ہے, دی کمیٹی مائی لارڈ headed by your lordship, the constitutional benches committee can form a larger bench. It can form a larger bench of 15 judges because Judicial Commission has appointed 15 of your lordships as member of the constitutional bench. But you cannot, my lord, cannot include other judges in that committee. Whereas the other committee, when they sit, for regular cases, when I'll cite that cases, can include your lordship, all of your lordships in the regular benches, which my lords are sitting in the regular benches as well. Yes. So here, my lord, what is the difference between a bench and when you refer to a full court? In order to consider, may I?
Page بتائیں.
In order to consider whether bench of the court,
ایک منٹ,
sorry,
334 para 30.
جی یہ ہے 334 page, my lord, para 33. In order to consider whether bench of the court when acting judicially as such can invoke the suo motu juve, we need to consider the constitution of benches and the allocation of work whereby the benches exercise the jurisdiction of the court. This is indeed the fourth element which was alluded in para 14 above, which serves as the link of bridge between the second, third categories of the tripartite formulation. For as is well known, in the ordinary course, this court does not sit en banc. En banc does not, as does e.g. the US Supreme Court, but in benches. Kindly see, en banc, when the court sits en banc, that's word for it, full court, but sits in benches. And the benches do not and cannot self-constitute or once constituted self-propagate or self-perpetuate. Rather, it is settled law that it is the Chief Justice alone who is the master of the roster and who from time to time constitute benches for the exercise of the various jurisdiction of the court. This applies to take the language of Order 11 of the 1980 rules to every cause appeal of matter to be heard and disposed of by the court. Now, the benches constituted by the Chief Justice are each of them the court when they are so exercising the various jurisdictions that inhere in the court. However, even here, there are limitations and qualifications. Most important of the present purpose is the bench cannot self-select the causes, appeals, and matters that are to be taken up and decided by it. It cannot pick and choose whichever case it wants to from those on the docket. That too ultimately is within the power of the Chief Justice. Some kindly, then they discuss what kind of case है. So here the court says कि benches में बैठते हैं, but en banc भी बैठ सकते हैं. Like the US Supreme Court says en banc, all knock and all judges, honorable judges बैठते हैं bench में. So there is आप benches. And this is what my humble submission was. When your lordship, the committees, your lordship has the jurisdiction to make benches, sir. Benches of like, for example, the regular bench cannot make the constitution, cannot make the benches for hear the constitutional matters as per the Practice and Procedure Act as amended, which I showed to your lordship yesterday, sir. Then, my lord, may I now take to some, as my lord had pointed out, the post 191A inclusion in the constitution, which is subject to our challenge in the main petition, sir. Three judgments I like to refer of your lordships present, in which most of your lordships were present. And in one judgment, and my lord, Mr. Justice Muhammad Ali Mazhar, who wrote the additional note in the Diwan Motors case, and that is PLD 2025, Supreme Court, June part, Supreme Court 394, sir. Nazar Abbas ko bhi de do. Although the judgment starts at 398, my lord, Mr. Justice Aminuddin Khan had written the order. Kindly see, may I read from the judgment of my lord, Mr. Justice Aminuddin Khan, at paragraph 1. If my lord allows me to read parenthesis A. Accordingly, इसमें जहाँ से है 10th 11th line, accordingly जहाँ से है, sir. ये था कि whether the case had been wrongly fixed before.
Page बता देते.
जी हाँ, page है 398. It starts at 394, the judgment, and I'm referring to my lord the page 398, where it starts with the word accordingly. Accordingly, the above noted orders passed by the regular bench and CPLs are known as the committees constituted under Article 199A4 of the Constitution and under Section 2(1) of the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act of 2023 are the legal and constitutional fora to determine which bench shall hear what matters. The exercise of powers performs legal and constitutional functions of both committees do not impinge upon the judicial functions of any bench. During the proceeding, फिर ये आपका आ गया सर, ये आपने उसमें कहा कि वो non-as थे and the case could not have been heard, it had to be heard by the constitution. Now may I refer to certain portions of the judgment from my lord Mr. Muhammad Ali Mazhar, which is a concurring note, it says.